Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a bulk PNG image compressor and optimizer editor in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So this is actually the application. It's entirely built in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So this is a single file. You basically run this file in VS Code. It will directly open it locally here. And the interface looks quite simple. You have an interface here. You drag and drop your PNG files that you want to compress. After selecting these files one by one, it will compress the files here. It will show you the size difference here. From 500 kilobytes, it has reduced to 94. So if you're interested in this purchasing the source code, the link is given. You can directly purchase it. After that, you will be redirected to Google Drive where you can purchase the source code. And for building this, we are using this open source library here, which is UPNG.js, which is kind of a encoder and decoder library for JavaScript for especially decoding the PNG files. So this is completely open source. We are using this library for actually compressing the PNG files directly in the browser. And I've also deployed this as well. So before purchasing it, you can try out the live demo. The link is given in the description. So again, you repeat the process. You select your PNG images. You can select up to unlimited images, 100, 200 images, and one by one, it will compress, optimize, and shrink out all those images. At last, it will show you the size difference, 81.5. And using this slider, you can adjust how much reduction compression you want, and automatically in real time it will update the numbers for you. It will compress the images for you. And at last, if you want to download the output image, you click just the save button to actually save the output image, or you can click on save all, which will actually download all the images in a zip file. So this is an ultimate offline based PNG image compressor editor. And if you're interested in this, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase it.